Hello and welcome to the final video for Sister A's videos of the WDD 100 course. Alright, it is your final website and project report page, the thing you've been looking for and working toward. And this page will tell you the different things that you need for your grade. It's not just one thing at this point. So in step one, basically what it's telling you is for step one, it's worth 75 points, 25 points per page. That's your website. Make sure all the pages are complete, that all your links work, that you have the required image on every page, that you don't have big white chunks of empty space, and make sure that you have the header and footer that are the same as the home page, and that you can move freely between all the pages. You have the links correct. All right, and that's basically all of this. That's what it's telling you. So in my case, I've got my home page, which this is. I've got my rivers and rates, which the hover is an important part. And these are links future, so I don't have them going anywhere, which is, if you have other links, make sure they're not going anywhere. And here's my About Us page. And see how it doesn't have any big giant blank spaces? It's a complete page. All right, so what I would do for part one is I would come over here to I don't know why I just clicked off of that. I will go to my home page and I will copy this, and then I would paste that on the next page where you turn all of this in. That's all there is to it. I don't want your code page, but it would be best to give me the edit page. That way I can easily see your code. Not make changes, but just see your code. All right, and code is important. I mean, your pages can look good, but you've got to have some layout that is indeed being executed on the main CSS page. Like here's my home page all the way down to here. The rivers page, I added these items. And on my About Us page, I have these items added. And make sure that you keep them separated. Don't stick all your stuff up here where you have your initial items. All right, so that's part one. Part two is worth the other 25 points. It's 25 out of 100. And the first part is you have to have a final report, which is 15 points, and your updated site plan, which we've already completed. All you have to do to make it complete and updated is update any changes you made on your first, your home page wireframe, and add your other two wireframes that you made in week 11 for the two child pages. So you'll have 3 wireframes and your updated site plan. So that is this information. The final report is not the same thing. It's a separate document. When you click this button, you're going to get, I thought I had it open here, hold on. Yeah, you're going to get a template for your final report. It's got you a title page here. You can change the image, but you put your name information on here, and you must complete at least 2 full pages of writing, and it can be more. Remember, minimum is not an A grade. It's got to be complete. And the things that make your final report complete is you need the title page, which is 2 points. You need an introduction that tells these 3 items. You need goals and objectives for this, design process that you used, what you first thought you meant, and what you learned along the way, and then a conclusion. Remember, a final report must be a minimum of 2 full pages, and full means from the very first line down to the very last line. If you don't have it all the way down, that's not a full page. All right, so that's basically all you need for that. Once you have those 3 items completed, you would go to the next page and you would put your URL in the comments section and you would attach your other items. And that's all there is to it. I thank you guys for being in my class. I wish you well on your future endeavors with web design and development. And I hope that some of you will keep in touch with me as you go through your education process. Let me know how you're doing. Take care and God bless.